Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox is no longer supported by 32-bit. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix the Roblox being not supported by 32-bit PCs anymore? Stay tuned because this one's for you. So apparently Roblox is not supported by 32-bit anymore, so you need to upgrade from 32 to 64-bit on your PC. So to upgrade your system, step one is back up any important data, as this process will require a clean install of Windows. Step two is check that your CPU and other components can support 64-bit. Right. And the step three, obtain a 64-bit version of Windows. You might need to purchase a new copy or use an existing license that you have. So install the 64-bit version. This is pretty straightforward for those who've already installed Windows. This involves booting your PC from the installation media, a DVD disk or USB. Most of the time, it's a USB stick, and follow the very straightforward instructions. It's very easy to use. And then remember, only upgrade if your system is compatible. This should help eliminate the Roblox 32-bit error, and it'll help you get back to the game. So once you've upgraded to a 64-bit OS, what you want to do is to open the task manager, which is Control-Shift-Escape, right? And then under processes, end all running Roblox tasks, including related processes like shaders or mods that may modify game files. After ending Roblox tasks, access your Windows settings, which is Window key plus I. Then go to Update and Security, and in the Windows Update tab, select Check for Updates. And you're gonna need to update your PC just to make sure. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. And we'll see you on the next one.